Hilda.
Yeah.
We bumped into each other sa Malacanang and we saw each other when she received the wala talagang ano, so okay lang. Okay. So, no, it's okay. It's okay, direct. What do you miss most? Dun sa, I think the last movie you did was in 2012.
The
Ito yung
Mistress.
The Mistress, right?
Correct.
Since then, so ito ang magiging comeback movie mo.
Correct.
So, anong na-miss mo sa show, local showbiz?
Nothing. Nothing really. I mean, I rested so it's like, okay, I'm quiet here, I'm resting, you know, okay lang. I don't want to think about it too much nung nasa US ako kasi syempre parang nalulungkot ka rin. Pero, you know, I've been at it for so long since I was a child. So, okay lang. I think I needed a break.
What if there are other offers after this?
We do have them already.
Oh, yeah.
We have a lot. And Shirley can attest to that. We have already. In fact, before this, meron na kaming iba. But talagang tatlong offer yon. But this one is yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat so far, you know. So, tapos meron naman kami recent, isang araw lang sa Malacanang, meron na rin kami offer. So, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. It's like, oh no.
Do you consider relocating to the
No, siguro.
Philippines now?
Pabalik-balik na lang ako.
Okay.
I still have my son there eh.
Okay, the one that I saw. You're
My boy,
together.
si Diego,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, so what about adjusting? Kasi you've been away too long.
It was hard more for like the traffic and the pollution. The traffic was just a killer talaga. Sabi ko, direct, 3 oras ako sa kotse, dyan lang ako nanggaling from there to there, you know? Yun lang. Tas yung weather, because when I left California, it was, papunta na kami ng winter.
Yes.
So pagdating mo rito, it's like, that's why I have a cold. So, yun, nagpunta ako ng doktor kahapon at pinawisan ako na masyado sa Malacanang. So sabi ko, yun lang, the pollution, tsaka ang daming motorsiklo. So parang, oh my God, sabi ko gano'n. But the traffic talaga mainly, you know, tsaka the weather is a bit, puti nga, it's December, but mainit pa rin, tsaka medyo umuulan. I was expecting a really nice weather ng December, but yun lang. Wala namang, I love the people here. I love, this is home for me, will always be home.
And we're so happy to see you back.
I'm happy to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Asar.
Thanks for this answer. Do you have any other questions?
I have a question. Sorry.
Mr. Philbert.
Yeah, in the synopsis you mentioned that she's a spy for whom? Or is this a secret?
Direct.
Uh,
Direct, sagutin mo na yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong sagot dyan.
She's a spy for the revolutionary government.
Revolutionary.
Because during this
Sa
time,
mga Pilipino,
the women during this time played an important part.
they don't do that kind of stuff. Yeah.
So,
It's an interesting role talaga. Talagang pinag-anuhan talaga nila, nilang dalawa. Pinagbutihan nila talaga. Ang galing-galing talaga ng kanilang presentation. Impressed na impressed ako. Zoom lang yun, ha? It was magnificent, really, it was.
You have any questions?
Nabanggit mo din direct kanina na may material na for tinanong kayo ni Direk kung ano yung material na pwede kay Miss Hilda. So bakit po yung sisa yung naisip niyo na bagay kay Miss Hilda?
it's material
Kakaiba.
that didn't have the right actress for it for a long time. And when Percy said that, you know, we can pitch to Miss Hilda, sabi ko, ito yun. Ito yung material. And I was just really hoping that she would say yes.
Naghanap talaga sila. Naghanap
Yeah.
sila.
Hinintay din ng material si Miss
Mhm.
Hilda.
Yeah.
It was just there, pero
Right
wala.
timing.
So everything fell into pieces
Fell into-
miraculously.
Fell into place, yeah.
Yeah.
It's an excellent story. I think everyone's gonna enjoy it.
So maliban po kay Miss Hilda, may naisip na po ba kayong kasama sa season?
Yeah, meron na. Can we share? Consider?
Yeah.
So,
Of
part
course.
of the cast would be Eugene Domingo, Jenica Garcia. We also have American actors because it's during the American occupation, and then we have a lot of theater actors who will be part of the film.
We have a question from Yulai.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, syempre congratulations.
Thank you.
Noon pa po kayo hinihintay na
I
mag-comeback.
know.
O,
I know.
ilang beses tayo nagkasama sa LA, sa
Yes.
iSkin, yan. nakakatuwa.
Ice cream
no?
kami, yeah.
Ilang best tayo nag-usap. So,
Right.
when Percy told me nga na kayo yung ipapa-interview today, I was so happy kasi alam ko ang dami niyo pong tinanggihan, ang dami sa
Marami.
inyo, no?
Every year marami akong offer. Hindi ako nawawala ng offers. Pero talagang pinipili ko talaga ng gusto yung gagawin ko.
Pero yun nga, piling ko itong Sisa with you po sa cast, piling ko ang daming mga fans siya pa rin na talagang magkaka-interest manood. Kasi sa States talagang every time na may mga events na nandun kayo, talagang pinudumog po kayo. And ang maganda po sa inyo, talagang hindi nakakalimutan ng mga Pinoy. And kayo po mismo talagang, you're so nice.
Oh, thank you. Sa Instagram ko nga, like, I was reading last night. Sabi niya, may mga nagsusulat, Gen Z po ako, pero you know, fun na fun. Parang nahuhugot ko yung from their grandmother, yung anak nila, tapos yung apo nila. Lahat yung tatlong henerasyon na yun, nandun na sa Instagram. I talk to them eh. I really talk to them. So some of them are like 16, 18, you know, and they see my films eh, sa YouTube and all. And sila actually nagpapadala sa akin ng mga pinopost ko sa Instagram. I don't know how to do it. I'll tell them, honey, edit mo niyo bago niyo ipadala sa akin. And they do it. So all my fans are contributing. May mga fans doon na they're nurses and they have pa yung mga unang-una kong pictures na binibenta sa Quiapo, yung mga gano'n, sa bangketa. Tapos isang baul yun. May mga pictures that I have not seen in decades. So I really love that, you know, parang talagang isang baul, isang fan lang yon. And I love that, and I really talk to them. And they say they're very grateful and they really like that. Sabi niya, Ma'am, hindi po yung mga artista nakikipag-usap sa amin, kayo lang. But I thoroughly enjoy it eh. Pero na pag mga private yung question, ay, niligawan po ba kayo ni ganito ha?
Sino man ligaw yun na tinanong?
Ayoko na sagutin. Kaibigan ko yung mga asawa, no?
Since you mentioned for YouTube, no, actually, because of the pandemic, nauso yung YouTube, they upload yung old movies, no?
Ang
Kaya
dami.
even you mentioned the Gen Z's, kaya lalo, kumbaga parang mas nakilala kayo, mas
Right.
nakikrave sila, like Insha,
Right.
yung mga
Yeah.
iba pang mga movies, yung even po Star Cinema,
Yeah.
na sa Baguio with sila Dieter, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun nga po, parang nakikrave sila. Parang sa tingin niyo po ba mismo, since you mentioned yung mga followers, even yung mga baguhan na nagme-message sa inyo, so sa tingin niyo, this is really the right time po ng
Yes.
comeback niyo?
Tama, it's perfect. Right timing.
Yeah.
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 Right
So,
timing and right project.
Yeah, ang ganda. Right
Ganda.
project. Yeah, direct
You're gonna enjoy this film. It's
Yeah.
really, it's very complicated. It's not easy to do, but it's complicated, but it's a wonderful, wonderful story. Mhm.
Yes.
Challenging.
Very challenging, but it's a beautiful story.
Yeah.
It shows kasi, it's very complicated. It's
Yes.
direct
Pero yun, congratulations kasi nga,
Yeah, thank
we're
you.
all excited for your comeback.
thank
Even
you.
naman nung Sunday sa Malacanang, talagang pinagkaguluhan kayo. Kayo yung gustong ma-interview ng
Yeah.
ng lahat, di ba, na
Yeah.
makita. And
I
it's
know.
so nice, no? Kasi pati yung mga tungkol sa posting nyo, talagang
Mhm.
nalalapit kayo sa mga Gen Z. Kasi-
Padala nila sa
Oo
akin
nga.
yun ng mga
Yung
fans
pati-
ko. Pati yung sa
Di
Malacanang.
ba may, may pinost
Oo.
mo kayo yung after pictorial na
Oo,
naghanap kayo
yeah,
ng-
naglalakad lang ako like 20,000 hits shoot kagad. 20 something, nakakatuwa eh. Wala naman akong sinabi, naglalakad lang ako. It's like I don't do reels, I can't even do selfies. Sabi ko, so bahala na kayo, padala niyo sa akin, then I'll post it. I love it. They do it talaga in drones talaga, snippets, and they'll watch the film and then manonood sila, papadala nila sa akin yan. I thoroughly enjoy that.
Yes, and syempre, thank you.
You're
Actually,
welcome.
kanina I was texting Richard and
Oo.
Amy Maghanoy.
Oo.
They're so, sabi nila, i-update mo kami. Kasi
Yes.
sobrang minahal talaga kayo.
Oh
ng
yeah,
mga
I only have a few friends that really I trust, and I miss one of those and Richard. So I skip.
Yeah, pero yun,
Looking young for her.
So,
Thank you.
We're gonna wait for Sisa. And
Yes, please.
Yes, thank you.
I think you're gonna enjoy it.
Congratulations.
You know. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for
Thank you.
I have a question.
Yes.
Based on the storyline that we heard, I see a certain parallel between the theme of vengeance and Angela Mercado, one of your old films.
Sorta. But just setting namin is kind of different. And ang mga kalaban is not particular like rapist. So,
but
yeah,
the
meron
idea
talaga.
of-
Oh yeah, you love the ending. Sabi ko nga kay Direk, pag hindi mo ako napaiyak ng script mo, I can't do it. Pag napaiyak niya ako sa script niya, especially the ending, you love the ending.
Mhm.
It is vengeance. And she's gonna do that. You
She's
know?
going to kill people.
Oh yes, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm doing a lot of killings here. Pero wag na muna na yung bibisto. This is gonna be fun.
How do you feel that, just like one of our great actresses in the past, your co-actor Lolita Rodriguez?
Oh, Lolita's my
you're-
favorite.
You're exactly now in that same.
I'm
role.
old na, oo.
In the same role. No, they have
Okay.
to-
No, I know what I'm teasing you.
Pirate you from, bring you back from the US to the Philippines to do films. How do you feel about being compared to Lolita?
I love Lolita Rodriguez, so I don't mind that. I'm honored actually na nakukumpare ako sa kanya. I actually went to
I'm the
her.
one comparing you.
Actually, I went to her 80th birthday party because yung sina Purdy, yung mga anak niya, Maryknoll din yun, and they're friends of mine. They came from Maryknoll also. So she invited me. Sabi niya, I want you to see Mama on her. She looked fabulous. And una hindi pa niya ako nakilala. Hindi ako, sabi niya, Tita, happy birthday. And then I sat with my husband in one
Yeah.
table. And she said kay Birdie, si daughter niya, parang kilala ko yun. Kasi ayoko naman mapakilala. I just went and sat in one corner. I was just excited to see her because she's always been my idol.
Mm.
So, I love Lolita.
And you worked a lot together.
Kasi, well, hindi masyado. I was hoping makagawa ako with her talaga nitong pero but she died eh. So, hindi na natuloy yun. I love her. I love her kind of acting. Very subtle. Mm.
There are no other questions. I turn it back to Director Steve.
Oh, direct ikaw na.
No, okay lang po.
Ikaw naman.
No, I think probably maybe just a setting, an explanation for why the setting of the film is during the Philippine-American War. Direction.
Well, number one, it's a forgotten part of our history, the Philippine-American War. Nobody truly understands what happened during that time. And for the longest time, I've been collecting a lot of books and research materials on the Philippine-American War. I don't know kung bakit ako obsessed. This American occupation na yun. And there are just so many stories that
Yeah.
I think need to be told. And this is one of those stories, a story about how women actually became an important part of the resistance.
The resistance, yeah.
So,
The character is named Sisa. It's nothing to do with the character in
No.
No.
Well, in a way, but not
But it
really.
calls to mind that her existence.
yeah.
She
well,
pretended kasi to be Luka-Luka eh, para
Yeah.
makapag-spiya siya.
Parang
So,
inspired, no?
There are bits and parts of Nolly and Philly that you will find para mga Easter eggs. If you're familiar with Nolly and
Yes,
Philly
yes,
sa movie. So
Easter egg.
it's there. And then this happened in 1902. So yung Nolly Mitangre and El Filibusterismo, they're really part of our
culture.
of our culture, especially during that time.
Yeah.
So, pag may baliw, ang isipin agad, lalo kung babae,
Oh,
tawag
Sisa
agad
yan.
mga sisa.
Well, she didn't have a name eh. Nobody knew her.
She was
When they ask her, anong pangalan mo, she doesn't answer. Like, she pretends to be like, I don't know, thing like that. And she starts, kasi her whole family was decimated eh. So talagang that anger in her is talagang extreme. Gusto niya makaganti, no? It's gonna be fun.
Can I just share na si Miss Hilda parang ilang beses niyang binasa yung script
Oh, yeah.
before the second meeting pa lang natin.
Nakadalawang review ako noon.
At sabi niya, napapaginipan niya na.
Oh yeah, I was dreaming about the scenes, direct napapanaginip ako ng mga eksena ko. Yeah, it was fun.
Is she anything like Koala's, Lolita Rodriguez's Koala in Tinimbang? Is it demented, that kind of thing?
No.
No, it's
No,
totally
yeah, yeah.
different. It's totally different.
Mm.
It's totally different. I will not tell you the scenes. We have very interesting scenes. Oh my God, you cannot imagine.
Actually, the good part, there's already parang goodwill because of the title.
Yeah.
Isipin mo kasi yun eh.
Yes,
Yeah.
isipin
I
mo.
thought nga eh, nung kanina.
It's very nice. I really like the title. Really great presentation. I was like, I love this story. So I go, okay, make me a great script now, direct. And he did.
How does it feel, Direk? Now you finally got Miss or the Hilda.
As a fanboy.
As a fan.
Sobrang akong kinikilig talaga. Sobrang akong kinikilig. The muse of Lino Broca. Oh my God, I get to work with her. I mean,
Lino Broca baby.
Yeah.
it's just, I never got to meet directly.
Yes.
But to
You're
be
so
able to
young.
work with his muse, oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, kinikilig ako. Pictorial pa lang eh. Nag-pictorial pa lang ako.
Posing na kami din.
Nakatitig lang ako sa kanya eh. Hindi ako makapaniwala na mga katrabaho pala siya. Kasi she has a presence, and you know that she's not just legendary because of the film she's made, but she really has this presence. The way she owns the screen, you cannot take your eyes off her. And you just wanna stay with her, and that's a great actress to work with. Kasi you know na makukuha mo agad yung audience kasi gusto nyo nang malaman kung anong mangyayari sa kanya. Wala ka pang character, but just a close-up of Miss Hilda. Diba? Alam mo na agad na kuha mo yung audience. So doon ako interested. Yes?
Pero parang may image si Miss Hilda na parang mahirap abutin, parang may pagka, di ba,
You mean-
mataas.
Oo, may takot ka?
Oo, parang nakaka-nerd yun.
That's so bad. Natatakot ba? Bakit sila natatakot sa akin? Wala naman akong ginagawa. no?
Seriously, parang nakakatakot talaga. Pero sa kwento niya ngayon, di ba yung mga fans, very approachable pala siya, nakipag-usap.
Yeah. Of course.
Iba
of course.
pala.
Iba. I mean, she has an image eh. And I think that's part of her,
The
of her
class,
charm.
diba?
Yeah.
I don't
She's
know.
elegant, she's classy. Yung pictorial nga, di ba? Yung mga isang tingin na, katakot.
May ngii.
Pero, but when you get to know her, and then
I'm
it's
quite fun, no? Palabiro lang ako. So minsan, pag nagbibiro kami, like makeup artist, Justin, bakit yung makeup mo ganyan na yan? Pag sabi ko, baka yung mga nakakarinig, isipin eh. Sabi ko, hindi ganyan ang band rin namin. No? Palabiro din ako. I'm quite shy.
Ma'am, I have a question. Before this point, hindi pa pala kayo nagka-work ni Direk Jun ever.
Not yet.
Did you Google him? Ano po, ni-research niyo ba siya kung ano siyang klase?
No.
O
Hindi na
talagang,
kailangan.
talagang na-capture kayo nung script?
Tsaka alam ko naman yung mga ginawa niya ng pelikula. Nakita ko na siya sa movie. Tsaka naririnig ko na. So okay na ako doon. Hindi ko kailangan i-research.
Meron po ba kayo mga gusto makatrabahong artista? Now that you're
Ano
back?
naman, kahit sino okay lang. Basta lagi silang on time. Ayaw ko talaga ng mga late, okay? Yung mga nararanasan ko nung araw.
Ay, meron pala.
4 o'clock, oh my God, take note talaga. Yun doon ako nagwawala. Okay, pagdating, hindi naman nagwawala, pero talagang medyo ano ako doon. Pagdadating like 6 hours ako nag-aantay. Mag-aantay ako, 6 hours. Pagdating noon doon, sasabi, I'm sorry tita, na late ako. Kaya, okay, 6 hours, I'm going. Iiwanan ko yung set.
Seryoso yung 6 hours?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alis, hintayin ko. Magkaantay talaga ako pero uuwi ako pagkatapos akong halikan. So in that sense, mataray ako. Because my God, sa akin kasi turo sa akin ni Lido, mauna ka. Kaya pag tinawag ang call ko like 8 o'clock, 7, natataranta kahit ang Star Cinema, yung mga staff ko, nandito na po si Miss Hilda. Nakaupo ako sa bonbon syempre, naka-makeup na ako, naka-roders na ako, no? Yung mga late, ayoko lang ng late, okay? Tsaka pag gumagawa na ako ng eksena na mahirap like iyakan, kung pwede, take one lang tayo kung maaari. Maaari lang naman. Lalo na kung madaling araw na nung araw, hindi ba like 24 hours ang taping nung araw. Tapos may mga ka-eksena ka. Minsan kasi naman, mga bata pa, tapos iyakan, I like one take lang pag iyakan. Kasi parang stale kasi pag paulit-ulit eh. Gusto ko yung pagtira ko doon, okay na. Eh minsan parang nanonood sila habang ginagawa mo. Nakakalimutan nila yung date niya. May ka-eksena akong ganyan. 4 a.m. na yon. Sabi ko, alam mo, 16 years old ka na, dapat kabisado mo na yung dialogue mo. Okay? Alas 4 na. Tara na. I mean, naiirito na ako nun eh. Naantok na ako talaga eh. Things like that. Oh, may mga director din ako na nababato ko ng script. But, they deserve it. They deserve it. They deserve it. They deserve it. Meron talaga ako iniiwanan mga director na
Like?
I cannot mention. Pero yung iba kasi, they're trying to get you in bed. So, pag hindi pag ayaw mo, pinaparusahan ka.
Oh my God.
Ay, pag gano'n, nambabato na ako ng script. Tapos merong isa naman na masaya kami sa eksena, kasi napuyat kami, nag-disco kami, etc. Tapos kinabukasan, ready naman kami, memoryado namin yung aming lines. We're ready, like perfect. Wala, makeup on time, etc. Parang naaasar yung director sa'yo, pakitawa kayo ng tawa. Pero, anong pakialam mo? Eh, kabisado ko naman yung dialogue ko. So, anong problema mo? Ay, nagsusunod na ganyan? Ayan na yung script mo, bumaba ako, malis ako ng step. Isang linggo, di na ako makausap. After that, nag-apologize din sila sa akin. Because I'm always ready, I try my best. I really do my best. At ayoko talaga ng mga late, okay? Yun lang talaga ayoko.
Ma'am,
Marami akong mapapatawad, pero yung mga late, hindi ko kaya.
Ma'am, nasa showbiz pa po ba yung nagpahintay sa inyo ng 6 hours? Andiyan pa ba siya?
Pero pag isa, naka-rollers na ako, na ganyan-ganyan. O, hanggang alas 12 lang ako, dahil may appointment ako, sanda na ako na alas 7. Naka-makeup kasi I used to do my own makeup nung okay pa yung mata ko. Tapos, eto na, alas 10 na wala pa. Alas 7, nandun na ako, alas 10 na wala pa. Ay, hindi ko pala makakarating, alas 12 na, right? Hindi ko pala makakarating kasi hindi ko nakatulog uminom mo ng Valium. Sabi ko, okay, uwi na ako. See you next day. Bahala na kung kailan, okay. Things like that. I find that kasi, para sa akin yung timing nyo importante sa akin. You know, lahat, kahit na sino, importante sa akin yon. So, pag nalilate ka, parang hindi mo binibigyan ng importansya yung time ko. Pag ginawa ko yun sa'yo, ganun din yun eh. It's a sign of respect. Pag nalate ako, balate lang ako ng 5 minutes, you know, tinuturo yun sa akin ni Lino Broca nung araw eh. Pati mga crew ko, mga ganyan. Kahit may lagdat, pagtatrabahuin ako noon. Kasi hindi mababayaran yung aking mga crew, yung staff and all that. We were taught all of this, you know, na yung aming ethics, work ethic namin is really, really important. Kahit na, importante sa akin yung pinakamababa eh. Yung mga tauhan ko. Meron ako isang shooting na, meron akong taping actually na bulok yung kanin na pinakain nila sa aking mga crew. Yung nagwawala ako pag ganun. Ayoko ng ganun. You know, kailangan yung mga crew ko inaalagaan din. I don't like that eh. Doon ako sa mga maliliit na tao eh. Hindi importante sa akin yung nasa itaas, pero yung mga maliliit, yung mga tauhan ko, importante sa akin yun. They have to be treated well. Kasi baba na mga sweldo niya nung especially nung araw. Kasi sabihin ni Dino, pag nilalagnat ako, nilalagnat ako. Hanggang matumba ako, nagtitaping ako. Kasi sabi niya, pag nag-pack up tayo today, hindi sila mababayaran. They were like being paid like, what, 500 pesos, magdamag na yun. So talagang titiisin ko yung tapos na yun, ma-hospital ako. Things like that, you know? Kasi importante eh. You have to treat, you know, especially your crew, importante yung staff, yung crew, importante sa akin yun.
Thank you po.
Eh, dami.
Interesting share ha. Wala namang naming eh. Sige.
Masaya ito ganun.
Share. Very lively ha. Marami akong experiences eh. It's like,
Magano kay SK. Kaya pa rin nandiyan si SK.
binabantayan ako ni SK. I'm just being honest. You know me, I've always been very frank. So, you know.
You got the best manager.
Oh yeah.
Oo.
She's excellent. She's excellent. She takes good care of me. Even Sinada, they take good care of me. They're very good.
Share ko lang before the next question.
Yeah, go ahead.
This team, puro mga fans. Ni Silda. Si attorney at saka ako, kaya namin siya nakilala. Nagpa-picture kami. Doon nagsimula yun.
Doon sa LA.
Nagpa-picture,
Yeah,
oo.
sa
Yeah.
Hindi ka pa dumikit doon eh.
Nahiya ako eh.
Nahiya.
Lahat sila natatakot lumapit sa akin, you know?
Pero si Sir Jim, iba naman ang history. Ang father niya,
no? Favorite ko yun si Conrado Baltasar.
Yeah.
Kami sa amin ni Lino
Insya.
Broca is always Manong Carding, you know. Yun ang aming paborito na cinematographer. We love him so much.
So Miss Hilda is working with fans and family.
Yes, tama. I love it.
Hilda, you're working with the new, I'm sorry, you're working with the new set of people. di ba?
Yes. Mhm.
Lahat bago halos. di
Ibang
ba?
henerasyon
Oo,
to, yes.
Ibang henerasyon. So,
Tama.
parang, how does it feel?
Nice. It's very nice and get to meet new people and get to work with new people. I like it. It's a new experience. But in every set naman ganun eh. So maraming bago, maraming luma. I mean, you know, it's nice. Younger.
Younger generation, di ba?
Younger generation,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
It's very nice.
Di pa kayo nag-roll direct, di ba?
Hindi pa.
Ah,
This,
di ba?
but very
How
soon.
do you prepare?
I over-prepare.
Yes.
We over-prepare. We
Over.
don't just prepare. We over-prepare. So, like
We'll be
now
okay.
with my team, gagaling ako sa pre-prod namin. But from here on, every day, we're meeting, we're doing all the preparations, we're looking for we have the locations, we have the cast, etc. So,
All set.
we're over-prepared.
The cinematographer is Carlo Mendoza, who also flew in from the States.
Wow.
Yeah. Very interesting set of people. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be a great film.
Nice comeback. Nice comeback.
Definitely.
Miss Julie.
Good afternoon po, Miss
Hi,
Hilda.
good afternoon.
Nandun na din po tayo sa topic ng manager. Gusto, unahin ko na po yung tanong regarding your new manager. Paano mo po nangyari yung... sorry, late ako.
It's okay. It's okay. Natamaan ka ba? Kapag ka late din sila nag-umpisa eh. I was here before 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock yung call ko, so late din sila. Hindi lang ikaw. Pagdating ko sa'yo, late na kayo.
Okay. Gusto ko lang po malaman yung dynamics ng relationship niyo between manager and talent po. Paano, nung sinabi mo bang in-offer sa inyo si, offer ba? O
No.
sinabi niya siya si...
May common friend kami eh, si Kathy Babao, the daughter of Caridad Sanchez, who I work with sa Lea Productions pa. She's a very good friend of mine. And she said, sabi niya, try mo si Shirley, ganyan-ganyan. So nung we talk naman, I love Shirley right away. So, she's easy and she's Zoom.
We had a
Zoom pa, via Zoom pa lahat ito.
And you know niyo ba, alam niyo po ba na she's also, kilala sa showbiz bilang Matara, yung manager?
Hindi pareho na lang ang amin. Ano nga sabi ko sa kanya, huwag ka mag-alala, pareho lang ang tingin nila sa atin. Tinatawag akong Matara, I don't even know why.
Ako din.
Yeah, kaya nga eh. It's like, okay lang.
Ang may next question po ay, kasi pagbalik niyo po ng dito ngayon sa industriya, medyo iba na po ang, marami ng platforms, di ba, yung mga social media na.
Yeah, nga.
And I'm happy to see you sa Instagram. Bakit niyo po naisipang mag-ano rin? Pasukin na rin ang social media? Like Instagram.
Kasi my grandchildren ko, sila yung active dyan. Actually, naku, mahilig ng social. I can't even work my iPhone, no? So, tinutulungan ako ng mga apo ko, ng mga anak ko. Hindi nga ako makapag-zoom eh. Nang wala yung son ko. Han, nawawala ako nasa. I can't see them. You know, I'm not really into it. I'm a bit of a lootard. So, I'm like, you know. So, but I'm having fun. I'm having fun with that. Parang hanggang dun lang ako. Kaya ako mga YouTuber, TikTok and all that. Yung Instagram lang, nahihirapan na ako eh. So my fans are all helping me with that. So I'm happy with that. Meron akong contacts sa kanila. May relationship kami.
So yung mga video yung pinupost yun, sa mo?
Kanila lahat yung galing. Yeah.
Ayun ang mga follower mo.
Dapat lang ha. Thank you.
Kasi na-interview kayo during the Mistress Press ko.
Mm-mm.
And last question ko na po. Any plans po of bringing the film sa international?
Yes, definitely. You know, aming primary talaga. Pang-international muna kami. Yes, direct na sa sagot.
Stay lang.
Yeah, ikaw
Kasi
na.
kapag babalik sa
Thank you.
ang gusto na. Si Miss Hilda Coronel to, and her comeback film, and I think even the international community remembers Miss Hilda, especially kasi nga in siyang
First,
was
sa
our
fans.
first
Yeah.
na official selection. So, dun pa lang. Tapos her body of work pa, Lino Brocas, sabi nga ni Direk June. No? So, there are people, not just in the Philippines, and not just Filipinos, who are familiar with Miss Hilda. So, hoping kami.
Yeah,
Of course,
yeah, we
that's
are.
the plan.
At matatapos kayo bago mag-can deadline, di ba?
Yes. Haha, binibisto mo kami. Yes, kaya dito ako ng December, January pa ako uwi, but meron kaming timeline talaga eh.
Sisa sounds like a nickname for Insyang.
Mm-hmm.
Sisa.
Susunod direct balikan eh.
Balikan.
Yun ang kanyang ano.
Balikan.
Balikan.
So it will be a working Christmas to you, for you, ma'am.
Yes, and my birthday also, I'll be working. I'm having my birthday here.
When's your birthday po?
January 17. Okay, magsi 70 years old na ako. Sige, huwag na niyo ito.
Oh, wow! Milestone birthday.
Yeah, dito, malapit na.
So you're going to spend Christmas and New Year here?
Yes, definitely. Definitely. And my birthday too. Yep.
That's good.
Yay.
Wow, everybody's so excited.
We all are too.
Are there any more questions?
Okay.
Last question before we wrap up.